Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic the project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management, you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that many videos can reach to you. Friend, project management is the use of specific knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to deliver something of value to people. The development of software for an improved business process, the construction of a building, the relief effort after a natural disaster, the expansion of sales into a new geographic market, these are all examples of projects. All projects are a temporary effort to create value through a unique product, service, or result. All projects have a beginning and end. They have a team, a budget, a scheduling, and a set of expectations the team needs to meet. Each project is unique and differs from routine operations, the ongoing activities of an organization, because projects reach a conclusion once the goal is achieved. The changing nature of work due to technological advances, globalization, and other factors means that increasingly work is organized around projects, with teams being brought together based on the skills needed for a specific task. Leading these projects are project professionals, people who either intentionally or by circumstance are asked to ensure that a project team meets its goals. Project professionals use many different tools, techniques, and approaches to meet the needs of a project. Some projects are needed to quickly resolve problems with an understanding that improvements will be made over a period of time. Other projects have a longer duration and or produce a product or other outcome that will not need major improvements outside of projected maintenance, such as an highway. Still others will be a mix of both of these types of projects. Project professionals use a variety of skills and knowledge to engage and motivate others to reach a project goal. Project professionals are critical to the success of project and highly sought after to help organizations achieve their goals. Throughout human history, project management has always been practiced informally, but it began to emerge as a distinct profession in the mid 20th century when a group of forward thinking individuals from aerospace engineering, pharmaceutical, and telecommunication fields realized a changing world need now tools. Project management involves the planning and organization of a company's resources to move a specific task, event, or duty towards completion. It can involve a one time project or an ongoing activity, and resources managed includes personal, finances, technology, and intellectual property. Project management is often associated with fields in engineering and construction, and more lately healthcare and information technology, which typically have a complex set of components that have to be completed and assembled in a set fashion to create a functioning product. No matter what the industry is, the project manager tends to have roughly the same job to help define the goals and objectives of the project and determine when the various project components are to be completed and by whom. They also create quality control checks to ensure completed components meet a certain standard. Generally speaking, the project management process includes the stages like planning, initiation, execution, monitoring, and closing. From start to finish, every project needs a plan that outlines how things will get off the ground, how they will be built, and how they will finish. For example, in architecture, the plan starts with the idea, progresses to drawings, and moves on to blueprint drafting, with thousands of little pieces coming together between each step. The architect is just one person providing one piece of the puzzle. The project manager puts it all together. Every project usually has a budget and a time frame. Project management keeps everything moving smoothly on time and on budget. That means when the planned time frame is coming to an end, the project manager may keep all the time team members working on the project to finish on a schedule actually. Then, a friend, basically types of project management. Many types of project management have been developed to meet the specific needs of certain industries or types of a project, which include waterfall project management. This is similar to traditional project management, but includes the basically caveat that each task needs to be completed before the next one starts. Steps are linear and progress flows in one direction like a waterfall. Because of this, attention to task sequence and timelines are very important in this type of project management. Often, the size of the team working on the project will grow as the smaller tasks are completed and large tasks begin. Agile project management. The computer software industry was one of the first to use this methodology, with the basis of originating in the basically core principles of the Agile Manifesto. Agile project management is an iterative process focused on the continuous monitoring and improvement of deliverables. At its core, high quality deliverables are a result of providing customer value, team interactions, and adapting to current business circumstances. Agile project management does not follow a sequential stage by stage approach. Instead, phases of the project are completed in parallel to each other by various team members in an organization. This approach can find and rectify errors without having to restart the entire procedure. Lean project management. This methodology is all about avoiding waste both of time and of resources. The principles of this methodology were gleaned from Japanese manufacturing practices. The main idea behind them is to create more value for customer with fewer resources. There are many more methodologies and types of project management that we have discussed, but there are some of the most common which we already discussed here. Then a friend, like for example, the type used depends on the preference of the project manager or the company whose project is being managed here actually. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.